Hey guys, it's Jordan from Guns and Cars. Today we're going to put on some vinyl wrap on my headlights, fog lights, and turn signals, but I'm debating on putting the headlights on there for safety reasons and maybe the turn signals as well. I just want to see what I can do with it. They're smoked type of vinyl wrap, so maybe it'll be okay. So stay tuned for the process. Here we go, guys. I've already started the process. I'm applying the first one to my fog lights. This is kind of what I wanted to focus on first, so let's get back to it. I already put the first thing on there, so I'm just trying to get the air bubbles out of there and see how easy this is. You know, people on YouTube make this look pretty easy, so I thought I can probably do it as well, but I realize this isn't a proper squeegee or anything, but this is all I have. My kit didn't come with anything, so this is gonna have to do the trick for now. Seems like the air bubbles keep coming back at the bottom, so maybe I applied too much water in the process. Oh shoot. Oh man. Kind of in a hurry, so probably this isn't the best time to do this as well. Go ahead and jack this up. So I'll show you the finished product if I can get it better than this. As you can see, it's not as easy as people make it out to be, because it looks like it folded part of the vinyl in there, and I hope it flattens out. I'm gonna take this off and try it again, so stay tuned. It's like, here's what it looks like with the lights off. As you can see, there's like a lot of air bubbles in there. I just can't get them out for some reason. Over here, man, I don't know if it was me or what, but I did like any other video that I've seen. You know, you spray it down with some water and then kind of just move it into position where it needs to be, but I don't know. I'm trying to apply some heat on there, so maybe it'll get a better position, but it seems like it's making it worse with more bubbles, so I don't know. I'll show you the turn signals here in a minute. Guys, this is how it came out once I put on the smoked lenses on the fog lights. They're not perfect. I messed it up a couple times on each one. There's like a crease in it, and I can't really get it out for some reason, so this is probably as good as I'm gonna get it. It might be me or the cheap vinyl that I got, but yeah, it didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it, but from afar it doesn't look bad, and it kind of looks cool while they're lit up like that. Let me show you with them off. Yeah, so this is the finished product, guys. It didn't turn out good at all. I'm just gonna call it quits on that, because I think I just got a really cheap batch of vinyl, whatever this shit is. But yeah, I didn't even mess with the turn signal, because it looks like I have to take the whole housing out of there just to do it. I probably should have did that with the fog lights, but it looked easy enough where I can. It was easy enough where I can just slide it underneath the trim here, but maybe that made it worse. I don't know, but I think I'll just, I don't know, maybe buy some covers. I know they have like these clip-on covers that I've been looking at too. So I think I'll just mess with that and you know, call it good. Eventually I'm gonna get one of those kind of like those old what's it called, billet grills, and I want to keep my fog lights, and I'm gonna have the billet grill go over the fog lights, and it'll be hidden back there. And I'm also thinking about upgrading the lenses with halos. That's kind of what I've been messing with here. I got some mini ones, but these are obviously going to be way too small. So I'm looking around to find some big halos to fit these. and then I'm gonna put all that together and it'll be a pretty good looking grill. But here's a look from kind of afar. I mean, it looks okay from far. It's the right color that I wanted, the smoked lenses, but you know, it's just not exactly the look and as nice as I wanted it to be. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.